Good day everyone. So for today's video, I will be discussing the z-score. For the first question is, the mean and the standard deviation is given. So we have 50,000 mean here, and then the standard deviation is 8,000. So I have the formula here. This one represents the standard score. Then it equals to x, which is observed value, minus m, or mean of sample. Then this one here is the standard deviation. So we have 34,000 minus 50,000. So it is equals 16,000 or negative 16,000. Then we have to divide it to 8,000. So it is the result is negative 2. So the cumulative probabilities of this given problem is negative 2 or 0.00228. And then let's proceed the proportion of tracks. So P 34,000 times 0.228 is equals to 0.4772 or 47%. So in conclusion, 47.42% of trucks can be expected to travel between 34,000 and 5,000 kilometers. In the next problem, so the percentage of trucks traveling below 30,000 or above 60,000 kilometers. So in order to get the percentage, we need to calculate 30,000 minus 50,000. Then we will divide it to the standard deviation, which is 8,000. So 30,000 minus 50,000 is negative 20,000. Then divide it into 8,000, which is the standard deviation. It is equals to 2.5 or 0.0062. Or the second percentage we need to get is 60,000 minus 50,000 is equals to 10,000. So divide it into standard deviation, which is 8,000. It is equals to 1.25 or 0.8944. So px 30,000 plus 60,000, 2.5 plus 1.5. So i-transfer lang po natin dito sa ibaba. So 0.0062 plus 0.8944. So it is equals to 0.0062 plus open parenthesis plus I1 minus 0.8944. Then close the parenthesis is equal to 0.0062 plus 0.1056. So the total of it is 0.11. Problem is thus approximately 11.18% of trucks can be expected to travel either below 30,000 kilometer or 60,000 kilometer. So the second problem is z is equals to 0.8416. So x is equals to mean plus 2.6. Then so yung mean natin is 50,000 plus 0.86 plus 0.8416 times 8,000, which is our standard deviation. So it is equals to 50,000 plus 6,732.8. So if you are going to calculate it, it is equals to 56.732.8 kilometer. So at least ibig sabihin po nito is at least 56,733.8 will be traveled by at least 80% of trucks. So number 2, first problem is z negative 2.10. So it is equals to 0.5 minus 0.1179. So if you're going it, the 5 it is equals to 48.21 or 0.4821. P open parenthesis z and 0 is equals to 0.5. So pag determine naman ng curve nila is dito po nag-start yung sa 2.10 dito banda. And then sa 0 is hindi ko na po siya nilagyan ng shade kasi 0 po siya. Second problem naman is z is equals to 20,600. So x is equals to 20,600. So minus natin siya sa ating standard mean natin, which is 50,000. And then i-divide natin siya sa ating standard deviation. So 20,600 minus 50,000 is equals to 29,400 or negative 29,400. Then divide sa standard deviation is equals to negative 3.67. So pa-left po ang area niyan. Yung 21,800 minus mean, which is 50,000. Then divide 8,000 the standard deviation. So 21,800 minus 50,000 is equals to negative 28,200 minus 8,000 is equals to negative 3.525. So, left po ang area niyan sa ating curve, which is 0.0002. Then, pag-calculate po ng area ng Z1 at Z2 is P, open parenthesis, minus negative 3.675, then negative 3.125. So, it is equals to 0.00, I mean yung area niya is 0.0002, then minus po natin sa 0.001. So, the area between 20,600 and 21,800 is 0.001.